Don't you hate it when you're at a party and you're trying to talk to someone who's always staring at their phone?
Hey Andrew, what's up, man? What time is it? Yeah. Yo, I gotta tell you, you wouldn't believe where I went last night. Right. I was at this cool restaurant and they were serving crab, shrimp, lobster, mashed potatoes, you name it. It was great. And I'm not even sure you're paying attention to me.
Oh, sorry. No, I'm just taking a price point here.
Oh, man.
Introducing Lockbox, the fun way of encouraging people to stay off their cell phones. The admin or host can first set up their passcode and then create a new session. Now I am a guest who's going to register a new device, and then a receipt will be printed with the session ID, device number and passcode, which would be used to lock my cell phone in the box. Now Andrew, as a guest, is going to register a new device so that he can lock his phone in the box. Andrew decided to take his phone out of the box a few minutes later. Looks like he entered the wrong device number. That's okay, he can try again. It looks like he's entering the wrong passcode, but that's okay, he can try again. On the Lockbox website, Andrew will now log in as a guest. He'll use the session number, device number, and passcode, all printed on his receipt. On the home page, he can see all of his activity. We can see he first locked his phone in the box and then unlocked it. Now he's going to leave some feedback for the host to read. And he's also going to change his name. I'll log in as a guest and I'll be able to see all of my activity. And let me update my name to Daniel. And also let me leave some feedback for the host. This is kind of fun. Host or admin can also log in to the Lockbox website using the passcode that they set up at the beginning. On the home page, they'll see a list of all sessions. Currently, there's only one session and it's active. Let's change the name to Dinner Party. As we can see, the session is active, so let's try to delete the session and see what happens. It doesn't let us, which is good. Now let's click through and see all the devices registered under this session. We can see the device number, name and points, and also the feedback that they've left back for the host. The admin at any time can remotely unlock and relock the box. Guests can also check their current score directly on the box. All they need to do is navigate to Display Points, enter their device number, in this case device number 1, with 1347 points. Let's see how much points device number 2 has. 87 points. Andrew will now check out his device. After correctly entering his device number and passcode, the receipt is printed out with the total number of points he earned during the session. I'll check out my cell phone. I'll enter my device number and passcode, and the receipt will also be printed with the number of points I earned. Let's look at the Display All Points menu option, where we can see the points of every device in the session. Each time Next is pressed, it cycles through the devices. Now, it's the end of our party. Let's end the session. The admin must first enter their passcode, and then a receipt is printed with all devices listed along with the points that they've earned during the session. The winner is also displayed on the screen. Thanks for checking out our senior design project.